In the beginning, I asked you the question, how much centimeter equals to hectometer? How much kilometer equals to DAM, decameter? How much gram equal to milligram? And how much kiloliter, 1 kiloliter equals to milliliter? So, if you have learned that diagram in your mind, then easily you can give the answer of these questions. So, centimeter, where the centimeter is written? Here the centimeter is written. Centimeter to hectare, centimeter to hectare, hectometer, HM. Here the HM is written. So, how many jumps? How many backward jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you have to divide the number by 10,000. Once again, I am telling to you, backward jump CM to HM. So CM to HM, HM is written here, CM is written here. So CM to HM. So one jump, second backward jump, third backward jump, fourth backward jump. So you have to divide the number by 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4 0. So 4 jump, 4 0. Now kilometer to decameter. Kilometer is written here and decameter is written here. Now change it to decameter. So one jump, how many jump? Count. One jump, two jump, two forward jump, larger to smaller or left to right. So left to right you have to multiply. So you have to multiply the given number by 100 because two forward jump. Next, gram to milligram. Gram to milligram. So 1 gram is equals to how many milligrams? So where the gram is written? Here the gram is written. And milligram, where the milligram? mg is written. Here the mg is written. So how many forward or backward jump? Forward jump, because we are changing the larger unit to smaller unit. We are moving from left to right, larger unit to smaller. So we have to multiply. So multiply of what? How many jumps? 1, 2, 3 jumps. So multiply by 1000. Like this, to change a kiloliter into the milliliter. Kiloliter at the beginning and milliliter at the last. So what you have to do? You are moving. What you have to think? You have to think when where are you moving? You are moving from larger to smaller unit. So larger to smaller unit you have to multiply. Now by which number? Count the number of jumps and multiply of that number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jump. That means multiply by what? 1. After 1 how many 0? 6 zeros. So you can convert a kiloliter into the milliliter. I hope you understood this diagram and you also understood how to convert a unit into the another unit. And that poem I told you, kilo hecto decaliter deci centi milliliter. Kilo hecto decaliter deci centi milliliter. So learn this poem, kilo hecto decaliters deci centi milliliter. Like this other also gram, kilo hecto decagram deci centi milligram, or kilo hecto decameter deci centi millimeters. Kilo hecto decameters liter deci centi milliliters. Now points to remember: for length km, m, centimeter and millimeters units are used. For mass kilogram, gram, milligram, these units are used. For capacity or the volume, liter, kiloliter, milliliter, these units are used. Now with the help of that diagram we can also say that 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer, or reverse also we can say 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, or 1 upon 1000 meter equals to 1 millimeter, or 1 milliliter equals to 1 upon 1000 meter. So easily we can convert a one unit into the another unit. Now exercise 3rd B, convert unit of following units of the following. Now what we have to do, we have to convert the meter into kilometer. And the B question, we have to convert meter into centimeter. So here, before solving any question, first we have to see that we are converting a smaller unit into the larger unit, or we are going to convert a larger unit into the smaller unit. So we have to remember this thing in our mind. When we are converting a larger unit into the smaller unit, so we have to multiply. And when you are converting a smaller unit into the larger unit, so you have to divide. So learn this diagram in your mind and you can easily convert any unit. Okay, now first question, meter to centimeter. This I took the B question, meter to centimeter. Now meter is a bigger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit. Look at this diagram. Where is the meter is written? Here the meter is written. Where the centimeter is written? Centimeter is written here. Meter, centimeter. So larger unit to smaller unit. Where we have to move? We have to move from larger unit to smaller unit. That you have to identify by reading the question. And before that you have to learn this diagram. So meter to centimeter. So meter to centimeter, we are moving from larger unit to smaller units. So we have to multiply. And by which number we have to multiply? We have to multiply by the number of jumps. So how many number of jump? 1, 2. So multiply by 100. So we have given 8 meters. So multiply 100 into 8. So it will change into centimeter. So 8 meter is equals to 800 centimeter. Now see the next question. Question number F. Kilometer. What? Kilometer into the meter. Kilometer into the meter. Now you just think in your mind, kilometer is a smaller unit or larger unit than the meter. Kilometer, I think kilometer is the bigger unit than the meter. So what we have to multiply to change a larger unit into the smaller unit. Larger unit into the smaller unit, we have to multiply the number. So which number we have to multiply? How you will decide? You just remind in your mind, kilometer, from kilometer to meter, how many forward jump you have to do. So let kilometer at the first largest number in this group. So kilometer to meter. So one jump, second jump and the third jump. So kilometer to reach the meter, from kilometer to reach the meter, we have to jump 1, 2, 3 forward jump, and we are changing a bigger unit into the smaller unit, so we have to multiply. So we have to multiply the given number 1.2 by how many? Now by what number? By 3 times 10 or 1000. 3 times 10 means 3 times 10 means 10 into 10 into 10. Understood? 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 into 10 into 10 equals to 1000. Or you just count the number of zeros. So how number of jumps? So how many number of jumps? 3. So 10, 20, 30. So multiply the number by 1000. So when you multiply 1.1, 1.2 by 1000, so you will get 1200. How you got this? That also we will discuss in the previous exercise. When you are multiplying a decimal number into the by the 10, 100 or 1000. When you are multiplying a decimal number by the 10, 100 or 1000. So you have to move the decimal point, the number of place, as the number of 0 after 1. So here after 1, 3 zeros are there. So we will move the decimal point in 1.2, how many places? 3 places. One place. Now after one place no number is given. How to move the next place? So we will put a 0 here. Now one place, 2 place we move. Third place. After second place also we are not having a number, so we put the 0. So here the decimal point we have to put after 3 places. So our answer, this decimal point will remove from here and it will come after this second 0. So after the second 0, what number we are getting? 1, 2, 0, 0. So our answer is 1200. Next question. Convert 0.031 dm into mm. So dm is a bigger unit and mm is a smaller unit. So if you remembering that diagram in your mind, then you can easily say that dm is a bigger unit and mm is a smaller unit. So where is the dm is written? Here the dm is written, and mm, here the mm is written. So dm to mm. So where you have to move from larger to smaller, from larger unit to smaller unit. So what you have to do? You have to multiply. By which number? Now count the jump. dm to mm. 1, 2 jump. So for 2 jump, after 1, how many 0 you will return? You will write 2 0. So you have to multiply the given number 0.031 into 100. So when you multiply it by 100, so move this decimal point 2 places, 1 place, 2 place. So your answer is 3.1 mm. So decimeter is changed into the millimeter. Now like this you can solve 0.78 kilometer to meter, and I think you know 1 kilometer equals to how many meter? 1000 meters. So multiply the given number directly. Also you can solve 0.78 into what? Into what? Now how to identify? Kilometer is a bigger unit, mm is smaller unit. So kilometer to meter, how many jump? 1, 2, 3. So after 3 forward jumps, you have to write 30 after 1. How many 0? 30 after this 1. So multiply 0.78 by 1000. So you will get what? Your answer. So how you will get the answer? Just move this decimal point. How many places? 3 places. So move the decimal point 3 place, because this 1000 having the 30. In exercise 3a we have learned, when we multiply a number by 10, 100 or 1000, we have to move the decimal point, the number of places, the number of 0 after 1. So how many 0 after 1? 30. So move this decimal point 3 places, 1 place, 2 place. But to move this decimal place, third place, there is no number, so we will write 0 after 8. What we will do? We will add the 0 after 8. So this decimal point which is here will move 3 places. After 3 places, this decimal point will reach at this place. So your answer 780.0 or 780. So your answer is 780. I hope you understood this. Like this we can solve the next question. In the next question, I 78. sorry, 73 meter to centimeter. 73 meter to centimeter. Now see the unit meter and centimeter. Meter and centimeter. Now you just identify meter is bigger or centimeter is bigger. So meter is bigger. Kilo, hecto, deca, meter. Deci, centi, millimeter. Deci, centi, millimeter. Kilo, hecto, deca, meter. Meter. Deci, centi, centi. Centi is coming after meter. So centimeter is the smaller unit and meter is the bigger unit. So what we have to do? We have to multiply this given number 73 by which number? So you just write down 1 here. Now we will find out that 1 meter equal to how many centimeter. So 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? Just move the jumps. How many jump? 1 or next 2. So to reach from meter to centimeter, what? 2 jumps. So after 1, write down 2, 0. And then multiply 73 by 100. So you will get 7300. 7300. Okay, so we can write 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So that's why we have multiplied by 100. Now move on to the next question. Meter to mm. Meter to mm. Kilo, hecto, deca, meter. Deci, centi, millimeter. So millimeter is the last unit in that group. See the diagram. Millimeter is the last and the meter is where? Here in the middle. So meter is the bigger unit and mm is the smaller unit. So what you have to do? You have to multiply by which number? Now count the number of jump. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 jump. So 3 jump means after 1 we will write 1000. So 7 into 1000 equals to 7000 mm. So, or we can write 1 meter equals to 1000 mm. Like this you can solve this question also. L. Kilogram to decagram. 0.053 kilogram into decagram. So kilogram is a bigger unit and decagram is a smaller unit. So we have to change a bigger unit into the smaller unit. So what we have to do? We have to multiply.